Morning, afternoon, and evening. Hope you are all doing well. Thank God. I've come again and I have a question. My question is, are you here with me? Okay. Greetings to wherever you are. Once again, my question is, if bodybuilders, we know bodybuilders, those who build their muscles for competitions, they stand on stage, flex their muscles, their torso, their when you are well built from the upper to your lower, those are whom we call bodybuilders. So in their championships, in their league, when the time is set or the stage is set for bodybuilding championships, good. Thank God you understand what I'm saying. So if bodybuilders are not allowed to use medicine, if bodybuilders are not allowed to use medicine to boost their building capacity, their bodybuilding capacity, in order to grow huge biceps and triceps, the chest and everything, if they are not allowed to use boosters or medicine in their championships, then why do beauty pageants? Why do beauty pageants or pageantry in short? Why is pageantry or beauty pageants, they are allowed to use makeups?